Java conditional statements and looping. Okay, so conditional, we already discussed about that how you can check the condition. So we already told that, let's say this is declaration part, a variable which is kind of integer and a value is assigned as a initialized as 10. The number is greater than 10, 0, that means it's a positive number. So this is kind of if else. We have done this kind of condition checking in a lot of things. Okay, then if else, that if I want to check the even number or odd number, num modulus equal to means reminder should be 0. Modulus is basically to check the reminder. Okay, so even number, odd number, like that you can check. This kind of program also you have done it. Okay, then looping, we read it last time, we studied this for loop, we studied. Okay, so there is one more loop, while loop in the core Java. In that, what you have to do is first you have to declare it. Okay, that int equals to I equals to 1. Then in the while condition, you can just put the while I less than equals to 5. Then system.out.println I plus this one. Then in the end, this is increment or decrement. Okay, in the end you have to do. So this is the syntax basically. It's pretty much same work which you will do in the for loop that you can do through the while loop. Only difference is in the for loop you can do everything in a single line. Okay, like declaration also have done here, condition also have done here, increment also have done here. But in the while loop you can do it later. Okay, so this is the while loop. So whatever you have done, one or two programs you can execute with the while loop. Okay, let's say we'll create one program. We will just write the tables. Okay, tables of any number table, or I'll write the table of 2, something like that. Okay, statically. Then I'll ask you the write the table through the while loop. I'll give a program as assignment. Okay, so let's say you have to write a table. Okay, table of 2. Hmm? So int I equals to 2. Okay, then while loop, or I'll say one more parameter j equals to 2 and I equals to 1. Okay, here I'll say I less than equal 10. Okay, inside this I'll do the things, system dot out dot print, and then table of, then here I'll just do that j into I. Okay, okay, and here I'll do the I plus plus. Okay. So I'm not doing anything. I'm just writing a table of 2. Okay. So I'll give a program to write table of any number. So you have to do this with the scanner classes. Okay. Now you can run this program. It should write the table of 2. See here. Not table of 2. It's J into I. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, table of 2 only. Nah. 2, 4, 6, 8, 20. If I just change this table of 4, it will write the 4. But you have to give the dynamic this number. Okay. So this is how you can do through the while loop. Only thing is that you have to write declaration in the different thing, increment in the different thing, and condition in the different thing. While in the for loop, you can do everything in the one go, like here, like star pattern we have done, right? So everything you can do in the one thing only. Okay. Now today, now already we know about the for loop and while loop. Okay. Multiplication table. This also we have written it just now. Okay. Here is the difference, which I will tell you now. That I already told you. While loop syntax only condition you will write. For loop initialization, condition, and update everything in the one line. Update means that increment counter. Use case when loop count is unknown. Okay. When it will be majorly used, when you doesn't know mainly the loop, how many times the loop will go. So in that cases, you will use the while. Okay. Better for condition based logic. This is better for the counter based loops. Okay. You'll understand better when the more and more programs you'll create it. Okay. As of now, you can understand it's creating, I mean, same work you can do with the both. Okay. This is the only slide we have for today. Okay. Now we will do the programs.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys can continue. Okay. Please do all the programs without fail.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.